Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your pharmacy service with Rite Aid easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the cancellation process, gather your personal information. Have your prescription number readily available. Visit the official Rite Aid website. Navigate to the Contact Us section. Locate the customer service phone number. Call the customer service number provided. When prompted, choose the option for pharmacy service inquiries. Speak with a representative regarding your cancellation request. Provide your personal information and prescription number to verify your account. Clearly state your intention to cancel the pharmacy service. Ask for confirmation of your cancellation. Write down any reference number given to you for future inquiries. Inquire if there are any additional steps you need to take. If you prefer not to call, you can also cancel through the Rite Aid mobile app. Log into your account within the app. Go to the Pharmacy Services section. Select the option to manage your prescriptions. Follow the prompts to cancel your service. Make sure to confirm that your cancellation was successful. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting your local Rite Aid pharmacy. Engage with a pharmacy staff member for assistance with the cancellation. After completing these steps, monitor your account for any updates regarding your cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.